Hi guys, I wanted to come on today to share these paints. I bought them last year. They're called the Gouache 18 colours. They're 30ml each. Now I've been using these a lot in my crafts and I want to show you the colours of them because they're lovely. And what gouache paint is, it's a mixture between like watercolour and acrylic, but it's more on the thicker watercolour side. This is my tray. It has got an inner lid. Look. Now these stay open in here, but I've reactivated them with water again, so I can use them. But they're really nice. I've just painted a couple of leaves just because I've got two colours of green. I've just sploshed it around a bit. So I've done two of these leaves and left it to dry. They do dry matte rather than glossy, but I mean, that doesn't matter so much. But I want to show you, like, there's a plain one there. I'm picking up fluff from somewhere. Right, let's get a paintbrush. What colour should we have this? Should we have a blue flower? I want to show you this. This is the, I think, 18 set. You get 2 white and 2 black in it. And I haven't opened the other white and black there. But they're really nice and they dry really super quick. And you can go over them again if you want. Or just, you know. But they are really nice. Look. Butterflies here. Now my hand is caked in paint now. Let me get rid of that colour a minute. But they're really easy to work with. I actually used some on the jelly plate today and they was good on that. But if they dry up, I mean, I've had these, say, over, what, a year? Around a year, just over a year. And I've only had to reactivate them with water once because they were caking. This one I haven't even reacted with water. They're still wet. Some of the others were cracked out a little bit. I added some water. I left them for a little while. The water seeped into them and made them all like new again. So they're just perfect. Let's try this. Oh, I'll do this red. Let's do this red. Okay. I'm picking up colour off of the back there as well. But I love these for all your crafts. You can use them in your art journaling as well. Lovely. They've made some lovely pages. I shall show you in a minute because I have actually done some. There we go. Let's do another one in this red while I've got it on. I think. Yeah, there's not enough on there really. I'll put some yellow in there to make orange, won't it? Hang on a minute. Let's just get rid of that and put a bit of that in. This one's a bit more watery. Go over it. Just going brown now. Typical. See? So they will go flat in the end then. Let me shut this up and I'm hoping you can see that, yeah. And then I'll get out. Now I've got paint up my arm. Let's just close that on. Close that. Yeah, because they go on like this, you see. And then that just snaps shut and that snaps shut. And then you just wipe the lid over, keep it mess free. Your paint doesn't stain the top because it's water-based. Give me a second. Last night I was doing a few art journal pages. I started from here, and I've done some splatter pages. I like this one. And just blank pages really in the journal, but using the gouache paint. You know, they do mix nicely, all the colours together. There's pink, red and yellow in there, and it's made this like orange. just wanted to see how well they mixed as I went along. So I've done quite a few pages in there. I like the way this, like, teal aquamarines mixed in with this blue, and then I've got the pink on there. See? Nice. And it's orange, and then just that one I've done. So I've made some up just temporary, so I've got some ready to go if I need them. Now, what I was going to show you, I need to clear the water off the table because I will drop it. Give me a second. I went on Amazon and I was looking for just a couple of colour paints, and I ended up buying this. And you may ask, what is that? Look how big it is to my hands, look. What is it? And it's heavy as well. It's a 56 set of gouache paint. Let me show you the reverse. I haven't opened it. Not opened it yet. Look at that, look. Look at all them colours. Now, I like gouache paint. So, I went ahead and bought it. Now, they are... the smaller sets, I bought the smaller set for the same price this one was, basically. But the smaller set has dropped in price at the moment. I think you can get that. Yeah, you can get it for about 15 now. But it depends which seller, because there's lots on there still selling it for 20, 30 quid on there. This one is going anywhere between 40 to 156 pounds. I managed to get it for 35. I went on and looked in Amazon Warehouse, and they had it for 35 in good condition. You'll see Amazon Warehouse on there. I haven't opened it. Now, I was reading the reviews on this, and they were saying it's an excellent set and all that. But a lot of people's cases were damaged. They were broken and all that. And they'd paid the full price. And they weren't happy about it because their cases wasn't closed and that. And I thought, shall I order it, shan't I? I went into Amazon Warehouse to see if they had any that were cheaper. And they did. And it was like £5, maybe nearly £6 off of the original price. And it said it wasn't damaged, so I went ahead and ordered it, and it isn't damaged at all. It's in perfect condition. It's sealed. I'm going to open it. From what I see, it's in perfect condition. I'm going to open it, and we will see. It says Jelly Gouache Paint Set, 56 colours, 30 mils, unique jelly cup design in a carry case. Something, I can't read that because they've over text it. Something beginning with an R, for artist students, gouache opaque. Right, okay. This is really heavy. Really, really heavy. Oh, it must weigh about 5 kilograms or so. Right. Okay, so it must work the same. I'll put the handles up and then... Oh, you have to undo... Yeah, it's got the 4 sides to undo on this. Let's turn it. Right. Wow. Look at all that. Oh, it's got this sponge stuff in it. My one hasn't. What is this stuff? Oh, it's got like a sponge mat that's attached to it. I suppose that's to insulate it a little bit. Look at all those colours. Wow. Where are you? Let me get you in the shot. There. I've got it the wrong way around. Let's get out of colour. Yeah, look. I'm not going to undo all of them. Maybe I should test one while I'm here. But I've just taken my paintbrush back. Oh, I thought that was open, then it's not. Look at this pink. Look at that. It's like neon. You've got loads of different types of pink. There's orange. There's loads of greens. Wow, there's loads of different colours. I think there's 2 blacks in here again, isn't there? No, that's a dark blue. That's a black. So where's the white? Is that the white down there? Yeah. Oh, wow. So you only get 1 of each colour in this one. And they're lovely. So what you do basically is you peel off the lids and you just leave them sitting in there with this lid on. If they dry out and start cracking, you just put a little bit of water in them and leave them for 20 minutes, half an hour. Give them a little stir, what you're using, and it reactivates it. Look at that purple. Oh, wow. Beautiful colours in here as well. And then they just fit back in these. This is lovely green. Look at that green. That's really nice. I want to do a comparison with like the other jelly gouache. I know exactly how that's like, because that's one of them I've done. I don't know if you can see that. So I've got a spare couple of bits here that I can paint. How about butterfly? I'll do a butterfly. Now it may pick up this back colour. What's this? Orange. Oh, it's a nice colour, look. It's like coral. Matches my nails. Though I've got paint all over me at the moment. Let's open this one then. I might get enough paint just off the lids. That's what I do when I swatch them. And then all the paint that's on the lids, I just mismatch on a piece of paper, usually. Oh, the lids are hard to get off from these ones. Then I could leave the lid on for now. They are a bit hard to get off some of the lids. Let me get a bit of that on. There we go. Right, give me a second. Oh, I've got it all over me now. And I've got black on my fingers, so it could pick it up, and there's black on there. I've got nothing. Oh, hang on a minute. I've got an old piece of... Well, I've had my coffee on. There we go. Yeah. They're perfect. Like one coat does it. Perfect. I haven't done that bottom bit, have I? Oh, that's lovely, that is. There we go. That's perfect. There. I don't even know if you were seeing me paint that in there. I'll just stick it on there and I'll do another one. There we go. That nice, that colour. It's like a coral, dark coral. Okay. That's it. It's off the brush. That's it. You just put the lid back on it and click it down. It's going to pick up, look, dog's there already. Just click it all the way down. There we go. And then you can carry it from the handles like that. Well, I'm not going to tip it up because that one's open inside, but it's picking up the dog's molting at the moment. There we go. But I thought that was lovely. I just wanted to show you it today. I think that's gorgeous. So yeah, what is this? It's got a code thing on it. A scan code. But that's lovely, that is. It's a shame they didn't have a different colour lid. I would have preferred like the other lid, like turquoise or purple would have been great. But yeah, that's heavy, really heavy, but it's lovely. Bye-bye for now.